I'm back. Guess what?
I got
we
the
brought some
professor.
more stuff.
Got the professor here. Persuaded him to stop by. Look what he brought. Well, even with gasoline at over $4 a gallon, sometimes you got to use something to go get something. But we went over to the machine shop yesterday and brought back a jewel. I mean, I guess it takes somebody that loves this kind of stuff to think of this as eye candy, but there it is. There it is. Let's get some close up. Oh, my goodness. That is just the little motor, the 302. It's punched out. I'm not going to say how much. I guess I don't want to give stuff away. But I was told by the guys that did the machining, they said they want to see the car together. And I said, yeah, so put your sticker on it. He said, you put your sticker on it, everybody's going to come gunning for you. Well, that's kind of what we want. That's kind of what we're hoping for. But it's back. It's back with all kinds of new internal goodies. Rods, pistons. Nothing major. Take it by, this is just a 302 small block Ford that's going into the Mustang II that we've been working on, gathering parts for, and sharing all that information with you and everything else. So, Roger, we got a little bit of work to do. Stuff. So, again, nothing crazy on the build. Ooh, man, I just noticed. Don't ask me why I didn't pay attention. Yeah, this will give you a clue. Those of you that are into machining and everything else, you know what that's all about. And I went some. I don't know. Should we keep the machine shop secret?
For the moment.
I spent part of the day up there with him yesterday. As far as update, that's it. We got parts and pieces we got to deal with. The professor's got to go to class and deal with a lot of students today. So I guess we're going to cut it for right now. We're going to bring you more updates from No Bucks Garage as we get the build going. Oh, I know this is about the Mustang II. But right there, you know, my wife Deborah, gotta love her. Little Debbie, looks like we're going to be doing two builds at the same time, Roger.
This is number one priority.
Yes, you heard it from the man right there.
Yeah, that's number one priority. Number two priority is this one over here.
Okay, so yeah, got
Get
it.
this one together then we can play with this one.
Yeah, see there, the head's over there on the desk. Yeah, it's the only place where a desk is used as a headstand. No, actually, they're going to get moved over to the table because I'm going to do a little bit of work on that as well. But that's it in terms of updates. So it's us. We're out of here. We will talk to you good folks next time from the No Bucks Garage. Take care.